Hi, hello friends, welcome to SPR Edutech. Today we're going to see about NFT. Recent time in news, Sunny Leone has become a first Indian actor to sell her digital assets through NFT. This is the news recently we had heard, and Amitabh Bachchan also had sold many of his digital assets through NFT, and Salman Khan also has announced. So many celebrities has been announcing to sell their digital assets through NFT. We shall want to know what is this NFT. Simple form we can understand. See here. Okay, this is SPR Edutech or digital assets. Regarding digital assets, let's know one thing. It has been of two forms. What is it? Fungible token and non-fungible token. Fungible token means what? Let us understand as simple as it. Fungible token means, for example, Bitcoin or money that it can be interchangeable, which means it can be convertible. For example, let me explain as simple as you can understand. You have a 20 rupees note. It can be converted into two 10 rupees note or 4 5 rupees coins, or you have a 2000 rupees note. It can be converted into 4 500 notes, but the value doesn't change. It can be changeable or it can be convertible, but the value remains the same. So this is called as the fungible token. But here non-fungible token means the similar, which means the product exists only one form, mostly art form means non-fungible tokens can be exists of any form like mp3, audio, video, or you can take any image or jpg, or you can take it as gifs, anything. This digital format of art form is considered as the non-fungible tokens, which means the copies may be many, but the main form will be only one, which means recently Sunny Leone has sold her digital assets, means her digital artwork. I think so, she had painted this image in digitally. It is painted by Sunny Leone. It has only one original, but the ownership, she sells it to the other persons. But because of the fan base of the Sunny Leone, the high demand of the product is created and everybody shows interest to buy it. So it has value based on demand. The demand creates a value and it gets increased to high, so many purchases it for millions of dollars and many dollars. Okay, let me make it clear. This example was provided for Telugu and Tamil students. Here you can understand, in the olden days the bargaining will be there like that. But here Mona Lisa digital artwork or emojis or jfs you can see here. Or if you take at least can consider that Dhoni had hit helicopter, first helicopter shot. That video was shot by some company and ownership is with that company. There may be videos in YouTube and many video platforms, many videos will be there, but everything is a copy. It can be copyrighted, but the original video ownership can be claimed by certain company which has first initially taken or broadcasted. That broadcasting company has its original rights. That original rights will be kept in a digital platform called as NFT token will be provided, and in that they will keep it for sales. Many fans are there for Dhoni, so they will be competitive to buy it. So it creates an intrinsic demand and the value will be increased and it will be sold over, and ownership claim will be transferred to the person that who had bidded high. So this is the thing happens. So NFT is as simple as that, bidding. So online bidding, so they will get high rate and high demand and it will be sold over. Next you can see here which is important for our exams oriented. It will be a digital artwork and also fashion line. You can see game item, how it is a game item. Let me explain this as simple as it. See here, I'm playing a PUBG game. I'm going to more than 50 stages, and in that 50 stages, if I am specialist in coding and this, I'm coding a special gun, which means special gun that nobody can hold it and it has a special powers, everything. Only 50 stages if you cross over, then you can get this gun. But now I have the code and gun that I had created. But if I want to sell it for other person, some other person is interested in to get it, but he can't wait to play 50 stages. So he will, I'm selling this gun in NFT platform or code, online digital code for that gun in digital platform NFT. So the ownership will be shifted to some other person on who purchase it. So then he can, without playing 50 stages, he can use that gun or he can create the gun using the code. So now it is online platform. It is not a physical asset but an online digital asset which can be sold and purchased. So it will be creating a money value for online gamers. It can be an essay like Amitabh Bachchan sold one of his poem of his dad online, and digital collectibles, domain names or concert tickets, parent documents, digital certificates, paperless. For it will be helping for the paperless administration as of we know now. Next, mostly this is secured through Ethereum blockchain technology, which is used for the bitcoins. So it is safer. It is to the present it is much safer because a long end technological and computation has been network of computing is being used to maintain it and safeguard it, and the records of ownership also easily modified when it changed to NFT. Only if ownership is modified, he can hold it until he sells the same product in the same method. But it can create a scarcity through for example, if you are taking this image, Mona Lisa image, there may be copy but the original will be only one. So digital scarcity, if in future someone claims the ownership and if they say that only with copyright of owner only you can use it, then at that moment it can create a problems also, which means digital scarcity can be created. And also proof of ownership is provided through this platform. Also it is helps a content creators to sell all over the world. Okay, it had been started since 2017, but there is no high demand or hype for this. But in 2021 it has been hyped as celebrities has coming to scene and they had increased this value. And also, what is the problem? Major challenges is investor risk. For example, let me tell you that now Dhoni has a high demand value, so he's because of his craze and these things, they'll be high interested in showing it to buy. The investor buys it for millions of dollars. But in future, which means after 10 years, there will be other person who is a star and other things who is a star. So online platform, the value based on demand means it may fall or rise. If it falls, see here, now Amitabh Bachchan sold one of his product in online. The person investor has bought it, but investor cannot sell it at the same price as Amitabh Bachchan because the value when he sold his demand may fall. So the demand creates these things, so it is also a problem. And it also be used for money laundering or terror financing because both the parties can be in for like discussion so that they can plan to change the black money to white money. So this platform is easily used for that. So such anti-national activities or illegal activities is also possible with this technology. There are many other chances also. Okay, thank you. This is what we knew about NFT. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is me, SPR. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thank you. Bye. Take care.